Hello everyone. Today we are learning stroke prediction dataset. Basically, what we have to do in this video, we are create EDA and we do some operations and I am learning this, right? So let's start the video. If you like this video and first of all, I am frankly speaking, I am not kind of I'm just a student, not a teacher. If I made any mistakes, so please just adjust it. And let's start today video. If you are guys ready, so let's start what you have to do. First of all, when you have to do any dataset in Kaggle, you have just uh, go on the right side, sorry, on the left side, and you see here is a three dot. So you have to click on that and click on new notebook. When you click on new notebook, a new notebook open on Kaggle. So I'm just waiting. Okay, so what we have this code, right? So when you have to work uh, in Kaggle, you have to simply run this code. Okay, and I'm adding a new cell where I have to work. Uh, when you run this code, you have Kaggle give you a file location. So when you enter that file location in pandas, read CSV, then you have a here you see this is a oh sorry, this is a file location. So simply what you have to do, uh, let's say we name stroke data frame, and simply what you have to do, read CSV. Read CSV means I'm oh sorry, CSNV. Read CSV means uh, somewhere CSV data I have to uh, put I have to get CSV data in my laptop, so that I am work. CSV means Excel type data, right? So what you have read CSV. I just copy this, oh sorry, in double quotes. Okay, if you are like, if you are thinking I am very good at teaching, so I am not. Basically my communication skill is not good, so I am just practicing and enhance my skills by to teach someone, right? And this is the best approach to study anything, right? So what so if so we now do what is in stroke data frame. So just head means in pandas, head means you give 5 rows, top 5 rows. Oh yeah, see, so stroke data frame we have ID, gender, age, hypertension, and disease, heart disease, even married, work. So basically this data set said uh, up, this is a patient details, where for example patient ID is 9046 and he is male, age is 67, and hypertension 0 means he have no hypertension. Heart disease 1 means yes, he is a heart disease patient. And ever married, yes, he is married. Work type private, he work on private sector. Residence type, he's live in urban area. Average glucose level is 228.69, and BMI is 36.6, and smoking status formerly smoked, not every day. And his stroke is 1. Stroke 1 is means he is stroke patient. So here you can see 1 1 1 1. So all 5 patients are stroke patients. And if you have to listen, head means you have a top 5% from top, and when you have to see the tail patient, so you have just write tail. So here we have the uh, basically नीचे से मतलब top 5 patients. So we just we go through from head. Yeah, this is the data. So basically I'm saying here we have, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is not I want ID comes here and gender comes at ID place and all are back, right? So what we do, here is a function in Panda. We have simply add index column, and we name the column of, we name the column name. So here is it ID. So we just run. Oh, let's see. ID comes here and gender comes here. Let me see what I can change. ID is here, and when I copy this code and see, ID comes here. So this is our data set. Our data set, okay, this is a kind of, you can say, summary of your data. Not summary, if you have to see, if you have thousand of patients and if you want just to see the top 5 patients name, so you can use this by using head. Okay, now if you have to get EDA, so what is EDA mean? EDA means the summary of your data. So for example, we have this data, so we simply write stroke df dot describe. Describe means it give you, it give will it will give you all the details. For example, from age column, count is 5110, means uh, uh, age column have 5. It basically means we have 5110 patients, right? And mean means what the average age of each every patient, which is 43, sorry. And hypertension means let we see here, hypertension is 011, and what's the mean of 01? It is kind of, you can say, is from 0 to 1, so it will here 0.09. And her disease is obviously average, means add all number divided by length of that number. And same with average glucose level. And standard deviation, it's a mathematical concept which you have to learn. Okay, and we have minimum. What's the minimum age? Minimum age is 0.08, and which is not technically true in real world, because of there is nobody have age 0.08. Likely it's mean 8 month. And 25 matlab means how many patient whose age, who's come under 25% of their group, which is 25 and 50%. And max, what is the max age, which is 82. And same is that. And if you have to, okay, now you have to see what our columns and what is data types. Data types means what their value have. For example, stroke df dat info give your data information, kind of, you can say. So here column name is gender have 5110 column, and no null means every column have value. Means no null value, no missing value, no missing patient in age column, sorry, in gender column. And its data type in object means anything you write in single quotes, double quotes, it is object. And age is no null value, it is float means decimal type value. And hypertension integer, integer means which start from 0 to infinity, right? And ever married, or this is object. And basically info give you all information of your data, right? And if you, okay, now what we have see, okay, let's draw the graph. So that's why we are easily understand what working with this, what working behind it. So for graph, you have to make sure that you are comfortable with Seaborn and Matplotlib. So for using Seaborn and Matplotlib, you have to just import from library. So what you write, import seaborn, seaborn as SNS. We import seaborn as SNS means it's a standard name, means you means SNS is a short form of seaborn. If you have to do any perform, you're not just write full name seaborn, you just write short name which is SNS. And what you have to second imports, import matplotlib matplotlib dot pyplot. Pyplot means we have to plot as plt. You can okay, you can change anything. For example, I write plt and sns. You can change as you can add, but it's a standard way to write seaborn as sns and pyplot matplotlib pyplot as plt. So for making graph we have to set the graph size. Okay, so for graph size we just use figure size is equal to 10th is height and 6 is width, means that is 10th and that is 6th, width is 10 and length is 6. So let's run this. What's output is it's a figure size is 10 pixel, 10 into 600 means 1000 height and 600 length. And let's title. Okay, let's come back in title. First of all, what you have to figure out. For example, you have to figure out uh, how many age, matlab, means if you have to see how many age does you have to get stroke from our data set, which is not really true. For that we have to see sns dot. Okay, for that we use regression plot, which give you the exact, which give you uh, in your output that your result is upward or downward using a single plot. So we use reg plot, and for reg plot we have to give x. uh, X means what value what value you can put in your x-axis, right? So I put in x-axis age column. So how you can write age? So you just write whole data frame name and you use dot age. This is a first way, and another way you can, this is a first way, and another you can write stroke df dictionary. Pandas data frame is like dictionary. So you can, for example, you have an array in dictionary, you have a dictionary in python. So how you can access any index? For example, you have to access one index. So how can you write? You can write, for example, stroke df m 0 index and 1 index. So here we are not want index, we want column. So what column? Age column. And you write in uh, double quotes, under double quotes. And what you want in y-axis? Okay, I want in y-axis, uh, yeah, stroke column. This is I want. I Okay, so let's run. Okay, for example, first of all, what I want, what I write in title, we see uh, age versus stroke patient. We just run the yeah, we can see if you in from our data set, if your age is increases means higher age, you have a higher possibility of stroke, right? So that's our graph say. So in this video you will learn many things. For example, you learn how to read csv file using pandas, right? Which is read csv. And you you study head means it give you the top 5 element, not element, it can, you can say it give 5 array. Oh sorry, array not, it's row. From our data set it is patient name, top 5 patient name. And yeah, we have okay, we want id in this left part. So what you can write, index column is id. Okay, so we have also tell, but you can manage with it head, so it's not need to write tell. And we have, yeah, describe is kind of, you can say, EDA. It give you all information about, not all information, but it give you how, it give you EDA basically. This is, for example, age, minimum age is 0.8 and maximum age is 82 year. Yeah, you can understand what I'm saying. And next one is info give you all information of your columns. It give you all information of columns, which have gender, this, and we learned the how to draw a graph using C1 Matplotlib. We set the figure size. Figure size means you can set height and width. This is height and this is width. And we name the title age versus stroke patient, and regression plot. We use regression plot to see the what we do in our graph. For example, we we write this code and we have this graph. So what this graph means, it says uh, when your age is increasing, from our data set I'm saying, when age is increasing, you can see stroke present, stroke is have those present. For example, if anyone have uh, for example, anyone have 10-year-old who have less chance of getting stroke. And if anyone have 70-year-old, it have high stroke, it have high, it have getting high stroke chance. This is come from our data set, not really true in real world. Okay, so that's all for video. If you like video, so like and subscribe. And if you feel that I am not good to explain each and everything, and you can also you can also see how good my communication, I have not good communication and I have to improve my English communication. uh, and also teaching, I am learn, okay, for example, I am learn all of things, but if I teach anyone or explain anybody, then this concept, then those concept I have get it. So that's all. Okay, so bye bye.